What's the meaning of Bolshevism? Bolshevism. Bolshevism.
Bolshevism. Bolshevism. Bolshevism refers to the political ideology and movement developed by Vladimir Lenin, which focused on the establishment of a communist state through a revolution led by a vanguard party of the working class. The implementation of Bolshevism led to the establishment of the Soviet Union and the spread of communism to other countries. However, the actual results of Bolshevism were mixed. While it succeeded in modernizing Russia and improving the status of workers and peasants, it also resulted in widespread human rights abuses, political repression, and economic stagnation. Ultimately, the collapse of the Soviet Union signaled the end of the era of Bolshevism as a dominant political force.